Dear friends, environmentalists, biologists, the person who concerned with the future earth and its environment, I would like to share informa- few information or some information regarding the Greenpeace movement. Greenpeace is an international organization. It was founded on September 15, 1971 in the basement of Unitarian Church in USA by a small group of people who were motivated by a vision of green and powerful world. These activists, the founders of Greenpeace, were believed that individuals could make a difference, hence they are requested voluntarily to Greenpeace movement to protect the environment. A Greenpeace, as it states in its goal, and it focuses to ensure the ability of earth to nurture the life in all its diversity and focuses its work on worldwide issues such as global warming, deforestation, overfishing, commercial whaling, and anti nuclear issues. Friends, as you know well, the atmospheric earth temperature is ever increasing, and increase in the atmospheric temperature is because of the increased emission of greenhouse gases. This emission of greenhouse gases by industry, by vehicular movement, even by wetland forming. And hence we need to reduce the emission of the greenhouse gases to monitor the global warming. And it is our customary duty to enhance the forestation and depromote deforestation activities, and we need to depromote overfishing, commercial whaling, and anti-nuclear issues. Although this movement started its activities first to oppose nuclear tests in early years, the focus of organization turned to other environmental issues as well, including bottom traveling, global warming, and genetic engineering. As it was, that is, Greenpeace movement was initiated to protest against the nuclear test initially, but later it has developed and it concentrated on various aspects of sustainable environment and protection of environment. And this Greenpeace gained an internal attention for its efforts to save whales and for its opposition to the killing of baby seals of the coast of Newfoundland in Canada. And in 1985, the members of Greenpeace movement planned to use their ship Rainbow Warrior to protest against French nuclear test in the South Pacific. At present, Greenpeace is an international organization that prioritizes global environmental campaign. In 2005, Greenpeace has 2.8 million supporters worldwide and national as well as regional offices in 41 countries, all affiliated to a Greenpeace International based in Amsterdam, Netherlands. And this Greenpeace movement targets some areas. The most important target areas where the Greenpeace movement acts and functions actively are the protection of oceans and ancient forests, phasing out of fossil fuels, and the promotion of renewable energy to stop climate change. As we know that the fossil fuels were formed million years ago, and these fossil fuels are the limited resources are non-renewable energy resources. If we use these non-renewable energy resources continuously, in a very near future, we are going to face the problems of the energy. And hence because we need to promote renewable energy resources or use of renewable energy such as solar energy, tidal energy generated, and these energy can be renewed once we can used. But the fossil fuels or non-renewable energies, once it is used, it is going to be exhausted. Hence because the Greenpeace movement concentrate on the promotion of renewable energy. And through this renewable energy, it is possible to stop the climate change and elimination of toxic chemicals. The toxic chemicals into the soil, into the water, and into the air added by human activities. For example, the apply of synthetic chemicals, pesticides onto the agricultural lands were added to the soil, and during the rain, the rainwater drain off all the chemicals which were spread on the agricultural lands into the rivers. And at the same time, the industries were discharging their the waste products directly into the rivers, hence because the toxic chemicals in the water as well as soil is ever increasing. Hence because the Greenpeace movement targets on elimination of toxic chemicals added in the water, soil as well as air. And another most threat area where the Greenpeace movement is targeting is genetically modified organisms. It means the organism contains a foreign gene, and that gene, genetically modified organism, it is for the welfare of the human beings, and these genetically modified organisms were also affecting an environment in negative way. And it also targets end to the nuclear threat and nuclear contaminations caused either by nuclear testing or by other means. And the Greenpeace movement always concentrates on safe and sustainable trade in the world. And this Greenpeace does not accept or solicit funding from any government agencies for not compromising its independence, aims, and objectives are integrity. And it completely relies on the voluntary donations of individual supporters and grant support from foundations. And thus Greenpeace movement played a important role in ban on toxic waste exports to less developed countries, moratorium on commercial whaling, United Nations Convention providing for better management of world fisheries, Southern Ocean Whale Sanctuary, a 50-year moratorium in mineral exploitation in Antarctica, ban on the dumping at sea of radioactive and industrial waste, disused oil installations, end to high sea, large scale drift net fishing, ban on all nuclear weapon testings. With this, we need to remember a Greenpeace in India or in the world stands for a people powered sustainable development. Hence, we need to protect the forests, and when we protect the forests, automatically we are going to save our entire earth. When we are concentrating on protection of forest as well as the mother earth, directly or indirectly we are protecting and ourselves, and we are giving the natural resources what we have received from our parents to the next generation. And hence because I request through this video concentrate on sustainable environmental developments in India and promote environmental sustainable developmental activities. Thank you.